In a bowl, we will combine half cup softened butter and 1 cup granulated sugar. Then mix it until completely combined. We will then add in 2 eggs and mix. After that, we'll add 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 2 teaspoons vanilla powder and mix it until fully incorporated. We'll also add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Also mix in the flour, 2 cups gradually at a time. We'll split it into 4 different bowls. We'll use food coloring to tint the cookie. Here, I use liquid food coloring. This is better than the gel food coloring because it doesn't have a tendency to clump, unlike the gel food coloring. So we will put 3 drops of red, yellow, blue, green. We will mix it all well and make sure to scoop and mix from the bottom also, so it will be evenly distributed in our colored dough. After that, we will refrigerate the dough for 2 hours or overnight. When we are ready to bake, we'll preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we will roll 1 tablespoonful of dough into balls and dredge in powdered sugar. Make sure that it is completely covered. After that, we'll put it in a baking tray lined with parchment paper or foil. We will put them apart from each other. We don't need to press down this dough because once it's baking, you will see that it will flatten itself. Then we'll bake it for 10 minutes. Cookies will come out soft from the oven, but don't worry, it will harden up as they cool. So allow to cool on the cookie sheet for 5 minutes before transferring to a wire racks to cool down. There you go, our colored crinkle cookies. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!